This video goes over question 1 of the derivatives from the definition assignment. It says use the four-step process to find r prime of x and then find r prime at 1, at 2, and at 3. Well, we're not really going to use the four-step process. We're going to use the definition of the derivative. The definition of the derivative is r prime of x equals the limit, and the book uses h, so I'm going to use h, as h approaches 0 of f at x plus h minus f of x all over h. Now we can't go right to h as it goes to 0 because we'd be dividing by 0, so we're going to substitute in our function. And we need to carry the limit notation along until we actually evaluate the limit. So my function is 2 minus 2, and then instead of x, we're going to have x plus h. So x plus h, and then that's squared. Then minus, and since I've got some addition and subtraction in my function, I'm going to put in a bracket as a grouping symbol. So 2 minus 2x squared. And all of that is divided by h. And now I'm going to carry the limit notation forward, and I'm going to expand that binomial. So 2 minus 2 times x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 2, then minus and minus is positive, so plus 2x squared, all still over h. So we still haven't evaluated the limit yet, so we're going to carry the limit notation, and I'm going to rewrite this distributing the negative 2 inside. So 2 minus 2x squared minus negative 2 times 2 is negative 4xh, and then minus 2h squared minus 2 plus 2x squared, all divided by h still. Now I can simplify this sum. Positive 2 minus 2 cancels to 0. Negative 2x squared plus 2x squared cancels to 0. So I've got a much simpler expression here. So we're going to go to blue equals the limit as h approaches 0 of negative 4xh minus 2h squared all over h. Now at this point I can cancel one h here, an h here, and this h, all to 1s. So now I've got the limit as h approaches 0 of negative 4x minus 2h. I no longer have a problem with dividing by 0, so my final answer is r prime of x equals negative 4x. So we're going to put that answer in and then continue. So negative 4x, check answer, well done. So then we're going to use that to continue on. So r prime at 1, we just put in x for 1, so this is going to be negative 4. R prime at 2 is going to be negative 8. R prime at 3 is going to be negative 12. And we'll go put those in rapid succession. So negative 4, check answer. Negative 8, check answer. And negative 12. Check answer. Excellent. That concludes this video.